Solving systems of a linear equation. We are going to solve this format by using elimination method. Question 21. 6s plus 5t equal 1, which we can consider equation 1, and then 6s minus 5t equals to 11, which is equation 2, right? So look, first we have to find out which term we will eliminate. So here is plus 5t, here is minus 5t. So equation 1 and equation 2 we are adding, right? So what we will get, 6s plus 5t equal 1, 6s minus 5t equal 11. So after adding this, 5t and minus 5t will be out. So 6s plus 6s will be 12s equal 1 plus 11 also 12. Now we can divide both sides by 12, s become 1, right? So we get s equals to 1. Now we will substitute this 1 to any equation. So we can write, substitute s equals to 1 into equation 1. Look, so 6s plus 5t equal 1, then 6 times s become 1 plus 5t equal 1, then 6 plus 5t equal 1, then 5t equal what? 1 minus 6, because 6 transferred to right side, therefore 6 sign will be changed. So 5t equal minus 5. So we can write, we can divide both sides by 5. So t equals to minus 1. Very simple. So what's our answer? Our answer is s t become s is what? 1, and t become minus 5. This is our answer. So number 21 done. Number 22. 4x minus 3y equals to 12. This is equation 1. Again 4x plus 3y equals to 24. This is equation 2. Now we will analyze which coefficient is convenient to eliminate. So look, here y coefficient is minus 3 and here coefficient is plus 3. So this term we can eliminate. So we can write equation 1 and 2 add, right? So what will happen? 4x minus 3y equals to 12, then 4x plus 3y equals to 24. So once we add minus 3 plus 3, minus 3y plus 3y out, so here is 8x equals to 24 times 24 plus 12 is a 36, right? Then x become 36 by what? 8. So if we simplify, we can divide by 4. So here is 9 and here is 2. It means 9 by 2 is a 4.5, right? So this 4.5 we can put equation 1 or 2. So we can put equation 2. So we can write substitute x equal 4.5 into equation 2, which is 4x plus 3y equals to 24. Then 4 times 4.5 plus 3y equal 24. Now we can multiply 4 times 4.5 is what? Is 18, right? 18 plus 3y equals to 24. Then 3y equals to 24 minus 16 is a 8, right? Or 6, what? So 24 minus, sorry, here is 18, right? This is 18. So 24 minus 18 is a 6. So y become 6 divided 3 is a 2. So our answer is x is a 4.5 and y is a what? 2. So number 21 and 22 done. Number 23, a minus 2b equals to 5, and here 3a minus 2b equals to 9. Equation 1 and equation 2. Look, here is the coefficient of b is minus 2, and equation 2 similar, the coefficient b is minus 2. So if we subtract each other, we can terminate or we can eliminate these terms of b. So we can write like this: subtract equation 1 from equation 2, right? So we can write first 3a minus 2b equal 9. Then here is a minus 2b equal 5. Once subtract, second equation sign will be changed. So minus, this one is plus and this one is minus. So minus 2b plus 2b out. 3a minus a will be 2a, and then 9 minus 5 is a 4. So once we divide both sides by 2, we will get a equals to 2, right? Now this a will be substitute any equation. So we can use equation, suppose equation 2, solve for b, we put a equals to 2 into equation what? Equation, suppose equation 1, right? So here is a minus 2b equals to 5. A means 2, so here is minus 2b equals to 5. Then minus 2b equal 5 minus 2, right? Then minus 2b equals to 5 minus 2 is a 3. Okay, then we can divide both sides by 2. So minus 2b, minus 2, right? So b equals to minus 3 by 2. So minus and 3 by 2 means 1.5. So our result is a, b, a 2 and b minus 1.5. Very simple. Okay, so we get two result, a and b. So our Question 21, 22 and 23 done. Now we will try to solve a word problem. Let's start. Number 33. One number added to twice another number is 23. So first we can write one number equals to x, another number equals to y. So as per condition, as per condition, look, one number added, so one number is x, added twice another number, so twice, y become twice, so it means 2y is 23, so x plus 2y become 23. We can consider this one is equation 1. Next, 4 times the first number, so first number was what? X. 4 times, it means 4x added plus twice the other number, so 2y is 38. So here is 38. What are the numbers? So we can consider this one is equation 2. So now we will find out the numbers. We already get 2 equations, so easily by elimination method we can solve this problem. Look, y coefficient is plus 2 and second equation y coefficient is plus 2. So once we make subtraction, so we can write subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So x plus 2y, or we can write here 38 is a bigger than 23, so we can write equation 1 subtract from equation 2. So here is 4x 2y equal 38 and x plus 2y equals to 23. Now we can subtract this one. So second equation sign will be changed. So 2y out, 4x minus x will be 3x, 8 minus 3 is a 5, 3 minus 2 is a 1. Now we can divide both sides by 3, so x equals to what? 5, right? So any equation, so let's equation 1 we put x equals to 5, so 5 plus 2y equals to 23. Okay, then 2y, 23 minus 5 is a 18. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so y equals to 9. So this is our answer. So we get 5 and what? 9. So x, or we can write one number x equals to 5, another number y equals to 9, right? So very simple. Now let's check. So let's think x means 5, right? So here is, we can write like 5 plus 2 times 2y, it means y is a 9, 9 times 2 is a 18. So 5 plus 18 is a 23, so here is 23 is okay. Now 4 times 5 is a 20, right? So we can write 20 plus 2 times y, y means 9, 9 means, so 9 times 2 is 18. Now look, 20 plus 18 is a 38. So our answer is right. So no more today. I am trying to solve 4 math based on linear equation, and we are using elimination method. So take care yourself, keep practice. Next video I will come any other topics based on algebra. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe my channel Math Jeep.